And if you do not follow Krishna and want to become Krishna, then you are rascal. This is a test. If you want to have a perfect guru, then you have to see whether he is speaking on behalf of Krishna or on his own behalf. Then one who speaks on his own behalf, manufactures, he is not guru, he is a rascal. One who speaks on behalf of Krishna, he is guru. Therefore guru is so what? Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadakshanti tad jnanam jnanina tattadarshina. Jnani means tattadarshina. Tattva means Krishna, the absolute truth. Param tattva. Vadanti tat tattva vidastatyam. Tattva, what is the tattva? And the tattva is described in three phases. Vadanti tat tattva vidastatyam jad jnanam advayam. Tattva jnana is one. What is that? Brahmeti, Paramatmeti, Bhagavaneti Satya. So Bhagavan is Krishna. Krishnastu Sang Bhagavan. So, Guru, according to the capacity of the student, he teaches first about Brahma, then Paramatma, then Bhagavan, Krishna. So Krishna is the ultimate knowledge of Tattva Jnana. And one who teaches this Tattva Jnana, he is Guru. Otherwise, he is a rascal. So therefore, the first indication is that if you want to become a real human being, then you must approach a real guru and learn from him. Mold your life in that way. This is human civilization. Then after Guru, Guru Bastak, we chant daily, Guru. What is the duty of the Guru? Sangsara dava nalalila loka tranaya karanya ghana tam praptasya kalyana gunanavas bandi gurasri charanaravinda. We have daily, we understand what is Guru. Guru mukha padma vakya chittete koriya oikya arana koriya manaya. This is that. This is what. If you have got real Guru and if you follow him, then your life is successful. There is no doubt. But if you have a so-called bogus Guru and without any knowledge of the Shastra, then your life will be spoiled. Especially the Mayavadi Guru. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has warned, Mayavadi bhasya sunile hai sadvanas. Mayavadi Guru means one who thinks that everyone is God. That is Mayavadi Guru. If you approach that Guru, then your life is spoiled. Mayavadi bhasya sunile hai sadvanas. Finished. Your spiritual progress finished. So in this way, Guru, Arka, these are the training. Where is that training? Where is that school? Why they will not learn from 8 years, 10 years of age, smoking bidi and cigarette? When I was in America first, I saw some little boy, not more than 10 to 12, they were smoking cigarette. I was astonished. What kind of education is there? But they don't mind. Even in their classroom, they let the young boys and girls, they smoke before the teacher. I have seen it in New York University. So this is not training. Training is, he must be very controlled. And if you teach from the beginning, then he will be trained up. There is a Bengali proverb, Kachayna noale bas mas korbe testa. When the bamboo is green, you can bend it. But when it is yellow, dry, it will crack. So, education begins from the very childhood. That is education. Therefore, Gurukul is required. It doesn't require how much he has learned ABCD and grammar. No, first of all, character. That is Gurukul living. Let him become Danta, Gurugrihe, Brahmachari Gurugrihe, Basan, Danta, how to become sense controller. That is first education. So these rules and regulations, as it is prescribed Guru or Ka, Agni, and then Bhagavan. You cannot jump over directly to Bhagavan. Then you will never be able to success. You will have to go through Guru, Agni, Shastra, Sadhu, Shastra, Guru, Vakka, Tinete Koriyayakka. This is the way. Then, Ubhe Sandhe Cha Jatoba. You should not talk nonsense. Mahaprabhu has very strictly forbidden. Gramma Katha Na Kohibe. We talk, that has become our training. As soon as we assemble a few persons, immediately talk all nonsense. Politics, this politician, that politician, this is that, and waste our time. You talk something substantial. You talk about the Shastra, talk about the aim of life, the problem of life, but they are described in the Shastra as the croaking of the toads. Don't talk nonsense. Simply be engaged in talking about Krishna. Savai mana Krishna padara vindaya vachansi vaikuntha gunanuvarnana. Our talking should be engaged about Vaikuntha gunanuvarnana. Vaikuntha means the Supreme Lord Krishna. About Him. We can talk so many things about Krishna. That we require to read books. Bhagavatam means it is full of topics of Krishna and His devotees. That is Bhagavatam. And Bhagavad Gita is full of instruction given by Krishna. Why don't you talk about that? Chaitanya Charitamrita, we have got so many books. This should be our principle. We should not talk any nonsense. That is called Jatobha. Jatobha means controlling the talking power. Jatobha, samahita. Very sober. Try to become sober. Don't talk nonsense. And abide by the orders of Guru and Shastra. In this way, training begins. It does not mean that you have to learn very big grammatical rules and no, that you shall see later on. First of all, build up character. Then it will be helpful to make further progress in spiritual life. Thank you very much.